If you're looking for top-notch gardening tools that combine durability with comfort, the Radius Garden 25602 Pro-Lite Ergonomic Edger and the Fiskars Ergo Gardening Hand Trowel are hard to beat. The Radius Garden Pro-Lite Edger is crafted from carbon steel, offering outstanding strength and precision. Its ergonomic handle design reduces strain on your hands and wrists, making edging tasks more comfortable even during extended use. The edger's sharp, sturdy blade ensures clean cuts and a well-defined edge, perfect for maintaining a tidy garden. On the other hand, the Fiskars Ergo Gardening Hand Trowel also features an ergonomic handle, which is a game-changer for anyone who spends a lot of time digging and planting. The trowel's heavy-duty design is built to handle tough soil, while its hang hole allows for easy storage. Both tools are made with high-quality materials like polypropylene, fiberglass, aluminum, and carbon steel, ensuring long-lasting performance. The thoughtful design of these tools not only enhances their functionality, but also provides a comfortable user experience. Overall, these tools are excellent choices for gardeners who value both efficiency and ease of use. They stand out for their ergonomic features and robust construction, making gardening tasks more enjoyable and less physically demanding.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.